In this video, we are gonna try a dark contrasty HDR look using the free apps SNAPSEED and LIGHTROOM. In SNAPSEED app, first we are gonna try straightening the image with the rotate tool. Here, using the center of the structure as reference, just a little manual rotation will straighten the image. Now in the tune image menu, a little decrease in the highlights for some details in the sky. Also a subtle increase in contrast. Now for interesting stuff to give more pop to the main structures. Going to the selective filters here. First, a couple of filters in the sky where we are gonna darken it a bit. Also a little more contrast. Copying the same filter to the right side. Now one on the middle of the structure. Increasing the brightness, saturation, also adding more structure. Copying the same to the structure on the right edge. Decreasing the brightness a little here. On the tree here where I'm going to decrease the brightness. Also increasing the contrast. On second thoughts, I will leave the brightness as it is, copying the same settings to the other tree. Next to the vintage filter to give some pop to the main structure. Selecting the preset 12 here. Also increasing the vignette strength for more darker look. Then with masking, we are going to remove the effect to make it more interesting. Tapping the stacks icon on the top right. View edits, vintage filter and brush. Here with the effect enabled and brush value at 0, removing the effect to make certain parts pop. Bringing back the brightness on the tree selectively. Also on this structure. You can toggle the eye icon to see where the effect is removed. Now for some dodge and burn with the brush tool. With the value at -5, I'm going to brush around these parts of the structure to make it more dark for a dynamic look. With value at +5, brushing to make these parts more bright. Taking a little time fine-tuning it, erasing and brushing again. For overall contrast, applying soft contrast preset in the curves tool. After this, exporting it to the Lightroom app for more edits, mainly the color tuning. In Lightroom, directly going to the HSL sliders in the color menu mix. To give the structure more color, moving the yellow hues towards orange. Increasing the brightness. Just a little reduction in saturation. To give more pop to the trees, moving the green hues a little towards aqua. Also more saturation. Coming back to the color menu, adding vibrance to the overall image. Now to the light menu. Here increasing the whites, dragging it with 2 fingers to brighten the brightest parts. When you see dots appearing, that is when those spots start losing details. So stopping just before without losing details. Also reducing the blacks a little to make the overall image pop. Here's the final look. Thanks for watching.